back. How to make your kicks impossible to block. Specifically side kick, because side kick is something which has a bad reputation. Because most of us think that it will take too much time, it is very slow. Because martial artists usually practice side kick like this. Back leg, lift up the leg, turn around and then kick. It will take too much time. Yes, you are right. But it is not a kick to be thrown by making yourself sideways and then kicking. Side kick is a kick you do if you end up in a sideways position. So you have to set up. फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी को ऐसा अटैक करने के लिए सादा प्लेन अटैक नहीं करना, उसको मसाले वाला अटैक करना, मतलब दिखाना कुछ है, लगाना कुछ है. सो यू कांट जस्ट डू अ साइड किक, इट विल टेक टू मच टाइम. यू हैव टू सेट इट अप, यू हैव टू डिसगाइज, come in a position which is suitable for a side kick and then do a side kick. You have to end up sideways and then do it. I will be sharing three of my favorite techniques of how to disguise a side kick. Side kick को कैसे successfully execute किया जा सकता है एक resisting opponent के against. आपको दिखाना कुछ है, लगाना कुछ है, कैसे दिखाना है, कैसे लगाना, how to place yourself in such a position that you can land a side kick and almost more than 50% of the time it will work. We had problem with back leg side kick because it takes too much time. You have to turn around almost 180 degree. You have to turn around and then kick, right? It will take too much time. So we are not doing back leg. We are using the front leg. Always the front leg we will use. So for me, my left leg somehow is more flexible than the right leg. दोनों ही का बेड़ा करके वैसे, लेकिन लेफ्ट फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत सही है. तो लेफ्ट वाले से किक करते हैं usually. So I will decide that I have to kick with the left leg. Now I want to set up a position or a situation in which I come like this. So from here easily I can do a side kick. But he should not be aware of it. Otherwise he will block, he will do something and it is not very safe. A side kick means you are almost sideways, which means he can easily get to my back, which is not good. So we will use front leg side kick and we will disguise it. For example, first if I am going to use the kick with my left leg, this is number one. I will show a roundhouse kick, but I will not execute the first roundhouse kick or Mawa Shigeri or snap kick or whatever you like to call it. I mean this one. Karate guys will pull it back. Otherwise you are familiar with that or whatever. The kick which comes like this side से जो आता है पहले वैसा दिखाना है. Why? Because I want to end up in this position. And since I am doing this, the person will automatically focus on this area, this direction, and based on your background, the person may try to block the kick like this or like this or like this or whatever way you are taught. So the thing is, his focus is in this area and I will hit there. I'll just make it more clear. करना कुछ नहीं, पीछे वाले पैर से ऐसा roundhouse kick दिखाना, करना नहीं. Sit up so that I end up in this position. अभी क्या करा, क्योंकि हम ऐसे आए तो अगला बंदा इस साइड में इस डायरेक्शन को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए या तो ऐसे करेगा, कुछ भी करेगा, लेकिन ये पार्ट खाली छोड़ देगा. राइट? सो वी विल go in that spot, stomach or chest, because that is the place which will most probably be free, no guard, no tension in that area, right? So I am showing a roundhouse kick and doing a side kick. Very easy to execute. One. Or there are people who try to defensively go back also. There are people, if you throw a punch, they will go back and forth. They are taught like that. Many people are doing like that. So for those people, very simple. Show a kick, they will go back and they will walk into your side kick. So how to practice this? Imagine there is an imaginary target over here. You have to show a kick and make sure your kick goes to the exact same spot. My favorite technique number 2 is that I will show a very lazy pushing front kick. You can't call this a front kick. This is just a kick, not even a kick. I will just show my leg and somewhat like this, in such a way that the person goes back. Now don't do this against people who don't care about your kicks. You have to first make them respect your kick. What I mean by that? If 2 or 3 times in a fight this happens, now he respects your kick. Now he is kind of careful about this person. Okay, he will kick. So each kick he tries to block. that is when you have to use it. This works on people who are usually like going back and forth. So you are showing a fake kick and making him think that it is over, but it is not over. In this exact same spot, he will get hit. So I am showing the kick and doing a side. This is a very lazy kick. Here, he thinks it is over, but it is not over. So it is like fake kick and reload and kick. So कुछ इस प्रकार से कोई आपकी किक के अगेंस्ट ऐसे जाने के बाद वापस अंदर आएगा. तो उसी हिसाब से आपको क्या करना है, जैसे किक दिखाया वो वापस गया and then kick. This is the same concept behind double techniques like double hook or double jab. The thing is, after one technique they think that this is over. No, the same technique can be repeated again. So if I attack in this area like this, a front kick, he thinks that now he will be prepared for every other thing except for another front kick. So the same concept I am using, I am showing a kick and doing a kick in the exact same spot. Now how is this possible? This is possible because the first kick was very light. I didn't waste my energy in the first kick. First kick was easy. In the second one I show my speed. Now my favorite technique number 3. My favorite है तो 1 2 3 नहीं होगा. This is my third favorite. Okay. So what I will do? I will show a big right hand like this. Okay. So it is a big right hand. It is a punch. I am showing a big punch. Don't do like a technical punch. The punch should not be correct. It should not be very fast. The purpose of this punch is to show the punch. Hey, punch is coming. हट जाओ. दिखा रहे. So दिखाना कैसे है? Yeah, इसे दिखाना. It doesn't have to be correct. You make sure that you are showing the punch, and based on your training, the person will react to this punch coming like this, maybe like this, or whatever way he is taught. He will react, but he will forget about this, because nobody will expect in the middle of a punch a side kick is going to come. Nobody will expect. So our key is position. One, and see how I position myself here. I am again in that position from where I can easily throw a side kick. तो हमने क्या किया, हाथ से ऐसा पंच दिखाया लेकिन करेक्ट कुछ नहीं किया, सिर्फ दिखाया और वापस इधर आ गए. अभी इधर से किक करना बहुत आसान रहेगा, राइट? This can work with a side kick. This can work with a spinning side kick also. Very simple. Just show the same thing. Ooh. Or spinning, whatever spinning kick you want to do, right? So technique number 1, fake rounders kick, side kick. Technique number 2, pushing kick, side kick. Technique number 3, fake punch. Wow, side kick position, side kick. So that's all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon. अर्ज किया है, अगले वीडियो में बताऊंगा. पहले आप सब्सक्राइब करो. खेलो दिमाग से, खेलो. Bujin TV is an online martial arts content streaming platform. It is like the Netflix of martial arts. Our content is now available on Bujin TV. But our content you are already watching, right? So the thing is, you can watch many other teachers, many other seminars, recordings, and you will get like high quality martial arts content over there. This is like instructional stuff. So the link of Bujin TV is in description, and if you use the code Karate TV, you will get first month free subscription. Muft.